Hi, my name is Bishop PETERSIDE from Christ Ambassadors Church in Johannesburg, South Africa. I want to wish my brother, my friend, Apostle Johnson Suleman a happy birthday. You've been a blessing to the body of Christ. What an unbelievable man you are. We love you so dearly. We've been friends for years now, and we're excited with what God is doing with you, through you. And we say, may God continue to keep you. The nations are still waiting. You've not even started. You are still very young, and we know that the heavens are responding as the earth is reacting. May God bless you. On behalf of myself, my wife, Amy PETERSIDE, and the family of Christ Ambassadors Church, we want to wish you a happy birthday. God bless you.